welcome back to
my channel.
So what are we gonna do today, Juju?
We're gonna do this.
Sorry guys, we had birthdays and so many parties and so many celebrations and we haven't been back.
And now we're gonna do this.
But look at what we got, guys. We got this from, who did we get this from? I think it was a birthday present.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Juju's birthday was 2 weeks ago.
Like
3 weeks ago.
And then my birthday was the Minecraft one.
Yep, it was a Minecraft. We had all the Minecraft, decorations. So today we are going to be opening up this Play-Doh stamp and shape toolkit.
Then let's go. Now we get started.
And we also have this glitter slime kit.
So, and we can do this for it.
Yep. Here, it's all open from the bottom because Juju opened all of it wrong. But we got all of the ingredients here.
Maybe I want to do blue.
Okay, so here's the instructions.
So blue
Like the
is
instructions.
actually cool.
Okay, so Juge is gonna be doing blue,
Play-Doh.
and then I'll be doing red. I guess the only thing you need is the Elmer's magical liquid.
Wait. This is glue, then this is actually slime.
Yep.
Yeah.
So Elmer's glue makes, so this is the magical liquid. Guys, this is the magical liquid.
And this is the magic slime.
How many, is this 6 ounces? Oh yeah, this is 6 ounces. So
Okay.
let me bring
Give me mine.
let me bring a bowl.
Why? And we need to mixture, yeah?
Yeah, we need to get a bowl so you can mix it.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
So, Yeti,
Yeah.
you have glitter, then mine has green there.
Okay.
So it didn't tell the person that had something on this magic slime. Look.
No way. Okay, let's try making. So it says to first pour 6 ounces of glitter glue into a container. You got it? Okay. Let me get the little spatula.
So you read it all the way go.
We're gonna pour it all in there.
Read it all ready go.
Okay.
Ready go?
Ready, set, go. Cups to measure a teaspoon, but we're just gonna go based off of an actual teaspoon, right, Juju?
Yeah. It's almost done. It's almost. You open it. Now
it says 2 teaspoons of Elmer's glue.
Okay.
So pour it in here for me. I think you might have to squish, or maybe let me take out the whole lid. Sorry.
It's almost done. I'm mixing it.
Okay.
I'm mixing it.
Okay. Here, pour it. Oh.
Then
Okay, so that's one. Here,
now-
we're gonna do two. Here, hold it. You can pour it. Pour it right in there.
1, 2. Wait, so I can actually do 3. So guys, actually do, just put the glove, then hold it right here on the middle, then like in the glove.
Yeah. Now we're gonna mix, 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 mix.
So
Don't forget to put your lids on your little
on,
bottles.
on the slime.
Stir in the magical liquid until it becomes harder to mix and the slime begins to form. So you're gonna keep on mixing, mix, 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 mix. And I guess, I mean, it does say 6 ounces, so this is the entire thing. So let me try to put everything in there. No, you mix. That's your job.
Okay, my job. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then the red one gotta be your job.
Oh, okay. I don't know why it doesn't pour everything.
It's almost done. See this, guys. It's almost done.
Almost, guys. We're almost there, right?
Yeah, we almost there.
Okay. Mix, 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 mix. It just says stir until it becomes harder to mix. So you're just gonna mix, mix, mix. Well, I'm gonna try to pull everything out of here.
To see ready or not ready. Oh yeah, it's not ready.
Nope, not ready. Here, you can clean your finger.
That's actually not ready.
Cause you gotta mix. You gotta mix, 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 mix. You guys cannot stop to mix.
No, not stop. Then no touching, yeah?
No, no touching. Yeah, Juju learned.
Hey, I can
Okay, okay, mix fast, fast, fast. Whoa, you got all the color.
The orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, dark blue. Now we need to take out the Play-Doh.
Juju, I think I need some of your assistance here.
This one. That's another one.
So, guys.
Oh, guys. So, yeah, you can stack the Play-Doh like this. And then like this. Like this. See?
So, guys, I think the moral of the story is go to Walmart and buy your slime.
Yeah, and
Thank God he hasn't looked at me yet.
And it'll be rapper then see what tool you get. Like
Juju, was this supposed to be a stress reliever?
oh, that's a really sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah, on my finger.
Juju, we're supposed to be mixing like this. Look. Look. We're supposed to be mixing like this.
It's actually sticking in your hand.
So can you help me?
Wait,
Or can you tell me exactly what I'm doing wrong? Because this is not the consistency I was looking for.
No. We now we're looking to that. We were looking.
Juju, are you gonna help me here?
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna keep mixing.
Oh, you're gonna keep mixing? Oh. Whoa, don't clean on the stool. Don't clean on the stool.
Okay. That's really sticky.
This is a disaster. Oh no. Yeah, you guys, just go to Walmart and buy your slime already made.
Okay, come here, you can make it. Ah!
Oh, sorry.
I have to stick in my car. I have to stick in my hand.
Okay, we're gonna get it. Okay, we're gonna get it. You're gonna mix, okay? You're gonna keep on mixing.
Okay.
Maybe I wasn't supposed to start kneading until it was completely sticky.
And guys,
I think the measurements were wrong, guys.
And mix it. Like this,
Yeah, guys, don't listen to me. Listen to Juju. Juju's gonna keep on mixing.
And messing.
And messing.
No, mess like this mess.
Oh, smashing. He's gonna keep on mixing and smashing.
Like mess it.
Don't start kneading until it's completely hard to mix. So keep mixing for me.
I'm going to make Play-Doh.
Keep mixing.
Okay. So, I'm going to get towards what is that?
Juju, is that washable?
No.
Is the slime washable?
So actually slime washable.
Huh? I'll get it for you. Hold on.
Let me get it.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh my gosh, this slime is so hard to take off.
Yeah, really?
Okay. So now that we got that disaster.
Two more, Jessie.
There's more. Oh, can you tell them what colors we got there?
We
Smooth this
we
inside.
actually got pink and red.
Okay.
Then we can put them to Play-Doh so we can get more.
See, it says just keep mixing until it's hard to mix. It's pretty hard to mix. Look, like it's already, like it looks like it's the consistency. And the next step is kneading. So, I mean, I did that, but that was a complete disaster. So, let's just look at the colors that Juju got for his Play-Doh. We'll let this sit and we will ask for some help, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. With who? Maybe Susie?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll ask Susie on this. Okay? Yeah. Until then, guys.
You need me help.
Yeah.
Wait.
We will ask Susie help offline and then we'll get back to you guys. Susie, we need help. Okay, so what colors do we have here?
We had orange, dark blue,
Perfect.
yellow, green, purple, blue.
Yeah! Look at that! Oh, you're awesome. What about this color?
Red and pink.
Yes! And I can't forget black and white. Right?
Black and white.
All right. Okay. So now show them all of your cutter things.
Like you can do this one, so you can roll it.
Whoa, it has a lot of stamp and shape parts. And you can make everything. You could make cupcakes, ice cream cones, houses, bunnies, and bears, and butterflies.
Maybe I want to
Which one?
Maybe I want to do a snowman.
A snowman, yeah, because winter is coming. Okay, look for it.
Let me tell you. This is
It looks like this is a teddy bear.
This is so weird.
It looks like this is a kitty. So,
Is that actually?
it looks like
No,
a rainbow? I don't know what this one is, guys. It looks like this is a doggy. And we got fish. Are you sure you don't want to do a fish?
No, let me do a snowman.
Okay.
Don't keep going, keep going.
I think the snowman looks like it's in the blue cutter ones.
The blue color? Sign the blue color. No, that's the purple. No, that's the and done.
Oh, we got a heart.
Okay. I saw the snowman.
I think that's an ice cream cone.
Oh.
You want to make an ice cream cone?
No, make it.
I don't know where the snowman is. But we can do fishies and we can do ducks. Oh, you're gonna pour them all out?
I started. Oh.
No? None in there?
I started.
Yay!
It was
Yeah, it was purple,
this
guys.
one.
It was purple. All right, guys. So I think we did kind of a good job, right, Juju? I think you just need to. The trick is that you need to mix really well, right?
Yeah.
Except for Juju's fingers aren't looking all that great.
Yeah.
But we're getting there. Look, like it's just really sticky. But I think I'll do some more mixing, and this is I mean,
Really sticky and gooey.
it's really sticky and gooey, according to Juju's reviews. Here, help me so you can put it in there.
Yeah, what's to your hands?
Okay. So usually slime should not be this sticky, right, Juju?
No.
No.
It's actually good.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah.
So what do you tell the people? That they should buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They should buy it and have some fun with it. Maybe they do a better job. Okay, so I got one hand on sticky.
Yeah.
We're getting there. Now,
Wait, get it.
look, one hand is completely on sticky. Oh, don't stretch it out like that, because that's how we get it into close. And then, that is no fun, right?
No.
Okay. So were you able to do your snowman?
I did it.
No?
No.
You weren't able to do your snowman?
No.
Why?
To actually do that, maybe we should do buy it.
Maybe we should do what?
Maybe we should do the another line like tail, yeah?
No, I think we should. Which one? Because you wanted to do the snowman. I can help you do the snowman.
So the bell with sticky hands.
Oh, with the sticky. Yeah, not with sticky hands. We will get this taken care of right now. So what color do you want the snowman? White? So get the white.
So someone got a hat, then that, then a nose, and all the black, and,
Yeah, get the white. It's right here.
and the black, and
Okay, first you put white right here. Put white right there.
and you put the gloves
Put white right there.
like everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere, tick, 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 tick,
Did you put the white?
Yeah, all white already. black.
The black dots.
Like tiny little.
And we got the snowman.
Then now we need to do the tiny little circles.
Okay, you do the little circles. We need 5 of them, and I will do the scarf.
Like this goes. That one.
Mm-hmm.
Like next on her.
Mm-hmm. You do the black little circles. Oh, let me help you.
I got it.
I can help you, baby.
Then actually need to help.
It has to be little ones.
Okay. Or I can make giant ones.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
No, but look, the snowman is super little.
So into the little.
Mm-hmm. The snowman is super little. Now we're gonna put the little scarf.
And I gonna make. I forgot to make the tiny little.
Okay.
Face.
Put 1, 2, 3.
1.
These are the eyes.
Okay. I make a big one. It's a big one. 9.
And then 1.
Okay.
And then there you go, guys. That's our snowman.
Wait, it didn't make the head.
Oh.
Wait, no, the hat. And actually, we didn't.
You have like a knife over here. It comes with all the kits.
Oh, and you can cut it so you can make something.
Oh, really?
Like you can make a giant ball.
No way.
Like I could do black and white so to make a big ball.
No way. Let me try making a hat
A hat.
with the knife. Yeah.
And I gotta make a giant. And then
Whoa!
Oh, guys.
We got the hat, guys.
Now we can make.
It looks like a sombrero.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say till next time. We are gonna enjoy an entire evening playing Play-Doh.
Yeah. Bye.
Say bye, guys.